There's something really exciting and brand new to share with our powerful Smart Search plugin. This is the SmartSearchWP plugin. Introducing SmartSearchWP, the innovative chatbot powered by ChatGPT, specifically designed for WordPress. I am truly excited to tell you all about its amazing features and functionalities, so I will be seeing you right after this brief moment. Great news, you know that the highly anticipated ChatGPT 4.0 is now officially out, and we've already seamlessly integrated it into our plugin. It's truly amazing. We were initially promised a lot of incredibly amazing things, and indeed, its practical use is quite impressive, and it really greatly improves the overall functionality and performance of the plugin. You should know that ChatGPT 4.0, the O actually stands for omnimodal, so it is truly multimodal because it can effectively use, at the very least, sound and images, making it genuinely multimodal. Not only can we now use it with many more diverse types of media, but its overall performance has also been significantly improved with a remarkable 30% less latency and responses generated 5 times faster than before. And you can really truly see this impressive improvement in the natural interaction you have with the advanced chatbot. So it's really interesting. My name is Jean-Christophe, and I am the director of a web agency based in Belgium. We specialize in custom development and genuinely have a lot of fun working on this particular plugin. All right, let's go straight to the browser to demonstrate its features. I'll show you. Here, I'm in the back office. So we've already installed the plugin and we're on the plugin's admin interface. And you can clearly see that now we can easily choose the ChatGPT model. We currently have version 4.0 readily available here. So of course you will definitely need an API key, and you have the convenient link provided here to generate this essential API key. Version 4.0 is paid, but version 4, or at the very least, will soon be widely accessible to the general public. So we'll be able to use it. It greatly improves the capabilities compared to version 3.5. So really there is a very real and significant improvement. We'll actually thoroughly test it directly because right now I am currently on the official Smart Search website. So I am just going to remove my face from the screen for a moment. So we're on the Smart Search website. Of course, there's the chatbot, and I've also added a very important question. How do I naturally integrate ChatGPT into my website? And we'll check the speed. It's indeed significantly faster than before, and the answers are now much more structured. There you go, it has already responded almost instantaneously. Here we now have clearly structured answers with all of the relevant content highlighted for easy readability and understanding. Here it explains how you can install it. It really gives a very complete answer based on the context we've provided. So as a reminder, the overall context is the specific content we've carefully chosen, and that prominently appears on the website in question. I'll show you that right away. So I'm going to reappear. There we go. So the context is found right here, and we are going to carefully select the specific pages. Now, a significant new improvement we've recently made is that when you have a multilingual site, we now automatically sort the pages by their respective language, which is incredibly helpful and efficient. So this makes it much easier to find your way around. We've added a little link here, a small external link to display the page so you can be sure you're talking about the right page. So this allows us to view the page in question here in order to generate or regenerate the integrations. And we've added a very useful filter here that allows us to quickly and easily select the different kinds of pages we need to generate, that we need to create. So we have the pages that are active, and then we have the pages that need to be updated. And then there are the pages for which the context has been generated but which are not active. And so that's what the different colors represent. Here I can see that for the home page, some content has been modified. Well, all I have to do is look at the pages that are not up to date. I'm going to filter. There you go. I'm going to regenerate the integrations. That means I'm going to retrain ChatGPT with my content. There, it's already done. It's super fast. I'm going to do the same thing for the Woocommerce add-on. I'm going to regenerate the integrations. It's really super fast. We just wait for only a few seconds, just a moment. There you go, it's already done. So this powerful feature allows us to have a comprehensive filter and to efficiently find precisely what we truly need really quickly. It's quite impressive. Let's take a quick detailed look at the conversation logs. Since it's a truly multilingual system, we should naturally have conversations available in several different languages. This one is actually in French. I see there's a discussion here in Dutch, and then there's a reply that's properly and clearly in Dutch. We currently have French available, and we also have English here. And then there's a clear and concise reply in English. Subsequently, we should have Dutch again. Indeed, we do have Dutch, which is quite good and very useful. Here we have German. So there's a reply in German. So we have quite a few interesting possibilities with this powerful tool for creating content in multiple languages. ChatGPT is able to respond on its own in several languages. Here, what's happening is that I have created content in several different languages on the website, and it will pull from that content depending on the specific language it is currently interacting with the person in. Just for your information, if you are using the plugin and happen to encounter any minor issues or small problems, you can always find detailed information within the error logs. Sometimes you might experience errors because you do not have a sufficient number of tokens available for your operations, for example, or perhaps your API key is not functioning correctly or has expired. This is precisely where you will be able to locate all the necessary and relevant information to diagnose and resolve these issues effectively. I'll make a short video for you. And let me know in the comments if you're interested in me making a short video about using the Woocommerce add-on. The Woocommerce add-on allows you to take products into account in the context and to have certain settings here to determine what will be considered for the responses. There you go. That was a short video today. It was just to share all these exciting new features and capabilities with you. If you want to download this useful plugin, you can easily do it right here. You will need to go to the official WordPress repository, so it's specifically on wordpress.org within the plugin section, plugins with an S. You should then search for SmartSearchWP, and after that, you will certainly find our dedicated page. You can conveniently download it from there, or even install it directly from the available extensions in the back office, making the process quite straightforward. We launched it in December, and it's starting to do quite well, let's say. I'm quite happy with the number of downloads. One very last thing, or perhaps second to last, if you happen to use this particular plugin, please do not hesitate to go and kindly give the plugin a few well-deserved stars if you found it genuinely interesting and if you found it truly useful. So you can click on the links up here above. You'll be able to directly rate the plugin and provide your valuable feedback. If you're new here to this channel and if you're genuinely interested in these informative videos, then you already know the essential drill. You should definitely subscribe. You also need to click on the small bell icon to receive all future notifications. And if you truly enjoyed this particular video, please give it a big thumbs up, as it would make me incredibly happy. That's it. I'm wrapping up this video. See you very, very soon. Take good care of yourself and your beloved ones.